Hello everyone, I'm Edward from Shandong Yuequn Machinery, and we are specialized in veneer and plywood machinery. And here is one of our workshops. And today I will introduce our 500 tons quad press machine for plywood for you introduce. At first, you will see this type 500 tons quad press machine. The cylinder is on the upper. So maybe you have a question. You have a melon cold press and the cylinder, some factory use it on upper, and sometimes you will see the cold press, the cylinder is on the bottom. So what's the reason and why we suggestions you use the cylinder on the upper? Okay, the first advantage of the cylinder on the upper can have the more pressure for the plywood boards, can improve the quality of plywood. And the second important reason how to judge the hard press quality is good. So the quality of the cylinder is very important for our all press, not only cold press but also for the hard press. The cylinder, we all use the solid cylinder from Wuxi City, the best cylinder place in China. And the second, for the cylinder, we use the laminated. It is rust proof. And the second, for our this type 500 tons quad press machine, the frame, the thickness is 35 millimeter, and for the different pressure, the thickness is different. Maybe in many factory, in many countries, they use 500 tons quad press machine. The thickness of frame is 35 millimeter. And if your wood and veneer is hard, with suggestions use 600 tons. And if your veneer is soft, with suggestions for 400 tons, it is okay. And the second, you will find we use automatic loading and unloading at here. So the advantage, you can directly connect the glue thread, cold press, and hard press. That is why we suggest you use the loading and unloading. Of course, if you see we just use one cold press, that is you can without the loading and unloading system. That is can help you save the cost for cold press machine. And the second important part for the cold press machine is the hydraulic station and the control panel. And for our hydraulic station is upper, and the brand is from Taiwan Xutian, the best hydraulic station all over the world. And the second, the motor, sometimes we use the Smith motor from Germany, so can ensure the power for the hydraulic station. And this the advantage of a hydraulic station is low noise and more powerful. And the third part is for our control panel. For the control panel, the touch screen and PLC from Japan, Mitsubishi. You will see this the PLC and Schneider. And for our touch screen is from Japanese Mitsubishi. Okay, here for the two lift cylinder for the middle beam. Okay, and for our quad press, we use the heavy-duty frame. For the upper beam, the widest is 900 millimeter. For the middle beam, the widest is 400 millimeter. For the bottom beam, the widest is same with the upper beam is 900 millimeter. Okay, this is our 500 tons quad press machine. The layer spacing is 1,800 millimeter. If you need any veneer and plywood machinery, welcome inquiry. We will supply the best machine for you. But also we have the professional engineer team can help you install the machinery and supply the skills of plywood production. Okay, this is Edward from Shandong Yuequn Machinery. Thanks for your watching.